Welcome to English listening practice. Today we're diving into some useful phrases for ordering drinks and snacks at a bar. Let's get started. Do you serve food here? Do you serve food here? Do you serve food here? May I see the drink menu? May I see the drink menu? May I see the drink menu? Could I have a cocktail menu? Could I have a cocktail menu? Could I have a cocktail menu? What appetizers do you recommend? What appetizers do you recommend? What appetizers do you recommend? Do you have any snacks? Do you have any snacks? Do you have any snacks? What are you drinking? What are you drinking? What are you drinking? Can I get a beer, please? Can I get a beer, please? Can I get a beer, please? Can I get a light beer? Can I get a light beer? Can I get a light beer? What beers do you have on tap? What beers do you have on tap? What beers do you have on tap? Do you have any craft beers? Do you have any craft beers? Do you have any craft beers? How much is a pint of beer? How much is a pint of beer? How much is a pint of beer? Do you have any non-alcoholic drinks? Do you have any non-alcoholic drinks? Do you have any non-alcoholic drinks? Do you have any low-alcohol drinks? Do you have any low-alcohol drinks? Do you have any low-alcohol drinks? I'd like a glass of wine, please. I'd like a glass of wine, please. I'd like a glass of wine, please. Do you have any white wine? Do you have any white wine? Do you have any white wine? Do you have any sparkling wine? Do you have any sparkling wine? Do you have any sparkling wine? Could I get a glass of champagne? Could I get a glass of champagne? Could I get a glass of champagne? I'd like a glass of brandy, please. I'd like a glass of brandy, please. I'd like a glass of brandy, please. Do you have any tequila cocktails? Do you have any tequila cocktails? Do you have any tequila cocktails? Can I have a shot of tequila? Can I have a shot of tequila? Can I have a shot of tequila? I'd like a dark rum, please. I'd like a dark rum, please. I'd like a dark rum, please. Can I get a rum and coke? Can I get a rum and coke? Can I get a rum and coke? I'd like a gin and tonic, please. I'd like a gin and tonic, please. I'd like a gin and tonic, please. Can I have a vodka and tonic? Can I have a vodka and tonic? Can I have a vodka and tonic? Do you have any bourbon? Do you have any bourbon? Do you have any bourbon? Can I get a shot of whiskey? Can I get a shot of whiskey? Can I get a shot of whiskey? Can I get a soda, please? Can I get a soda, please? Can I get a soda, please? Can I get a diet soda? Can I get a diet soda? Can I get a diet soda? Do you have any fresh juices? Do you have any fresh juices? Do you have any fresh juices? Can I have some sparkling water? Can I have some sparkling water? Can I have some sparkling water? Can you recommend a cocktail? Can you recommend a cocktail? Can you recommend a cocktail? Can you recommend something sweet? Can you recommend something sweet? Can you recommend something sweet? What's your most popular drink? What's your most popular drink? What's your most popular drink? How strong is this drink? How strong is this drink? How strong is this drink? Is this drink strong? Is this drink strong? Is this drink strong? Is this cocktail more sweet or sour? Is this cocktail more sweet or sour? Is this cocktail more sweet or sour? What ingredients are in a margarita? What ingredients are in a margarita? What ingredients are in a margarita? Is there alcohol in this cocktail? Is there alcohol in this cocktail? Is there alcohol in this cocktail? Can I have my drink with no ice? Can I have my drink with no ice? Can I have my drink with no ice? Can I have some ice? Can I have some ice? Can I have some ice? Can you add a slice of lemon? Can you add a slice of lemon? Can you add a slice of lemon? Can you make it a double? Can you make it a double? Can you make it a double? I'll have the same, please. I'll have the same, please. I'll have the same, please. Can I get the same again? Can I get the same again? Can I get the same again? Can I have another round? Can I have another round? Can I have another round? Can I have a refill, please? Can I have a refill, please? Can I have a refill, please? I'd like to try something different. I'd like to try something different. I'd like to try something different. Thanks, this drink is great. Thanks, this drink is great. Thanks, this drink is great. Would you like to join us for a drink? Would you like to join us for a drink? Would you like to join us for a drink? May I buy you a drink? May I buy you a drink? May I buy you a drink? Do you come here often? Do you come here often? Do you come here often? This place is awesome, isn't it? This place is awesome, isn't it? This place is awesome, isn't it? Hi there, what can I get for you?
Hi, can I get a beer, please?
Sure. What kind of beer would you like?
What do you have?
We've got Budweiser, Heineken, and Corona.
I'll go with a Heineken.
Great choice. Anything else?
No, just the beer for now, thanks.
You got it. That'll be $5.
Here you go.
Thanks. Enjoy your drink. Hi there, what can I get for you?
Hi, can I get a beer, please?
Sure. What kind of beer would you like?
What do you have?
We've got Budweiser, Heineken, and Corona.
I'll go with a Heineken.
Great choice. Anything else?
No, just the beer for now, thanks.
You got it. That'll be $5.
Here you go.
Thanks. Enjoy your drink. What cocktails do you have?
We've got margaritas, mojitos, and martinis. We can also whip up something special if you have a preference.
I'll take a mojito. Is it sweet?
Yes, it's sweet and refreshing with mint and lime.
Sounds perfect. I'll have one, please.
Sure thing. I'll get that going for you right away.
What cocktails do you have?
We've got margaritas, mojitos, and martinis. We can also whip up something special if you have a preference.
I'll take a mojito. Is it sweet?
Yes, it's sweet and refreshing with mint and lime.
Sounds perfect. I'll have one, please.
Sure thing. I'll get that going for you right away. Hey, we'd like to order some drinks for our table.
Sure. How many drinks do you need?
We'll need 4 beers and 2 glasses of wine.
What kind of beer are you thinking?
2 lagers and 2 IPAs, please.
And for the wine?
1 red and 1 white.
Got it. I'll bring those over to your table in just a few minutes.
Hey, we'd like to order some drinks for our table.
Sure. How many drinks do you need?
We'll need 4 beers and 2 glasses of wine.
What kind of beer are you thinking?
2 lagers and 2 IPAs, please.
And for the wine?
1 red and 1 white.
Got it. I'll bring those over to your table in just a few minutes.
Hi, are you showing the game tonight?
Yes, we'll have it on the big screen. It starts at 7 p.m.
Awesome. Can I reserve a table near the TV?
Sure thing. I'll make sure to save you a spot.
Great. Thank you.
No problem. See you tonight.
Hi, are you showing the game tonight?
Yes, we'll have it on the big screen. It starts at 7 p.m.
Awesome. Can I reserve a table near the TV?
Sure thing. I'll make sure to save you a spot.
Great. Thank you.
No problem. See you tonight.
Hey, is this seat taken?
Nope, go ahead. It's all yours.
Thanks. I'm Alex, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Alex. I'm Taylor.
Nice to meet you too, Taylor. Do you come here often?
Yeah, I'm here a couple of times a week. It's a great spot to unwind after work.
That's awesome. It's my first time here. What do you recommend?
The nachos are pretty good, and they make a killer old-fashioned.
Sounds perfect. I'll give that a try. Hey, is this seat taken?
Nope, go ahead. It's all yours.
Thanks. I'm Alex, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Alex. I'm Taylor.
Nice to meet you too, Taylor. Do you come here often?
Yeah, I'm here a couple of times a week. It's a great spot to unwind after work.
That's awesome. It's my first time here. What do you recommend?
The nachos are pretty good, and they make a killer old-fashioned.
Sounds perfect. I'll give that a try.
That's all for today. We hope you enjoyed the lesson and feel more confident with these phrases. Keep practicing and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.